In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this plus at the bottom left corner, and to add an audio file, select Files. Then tap on Audio at the top, look for your file or tap on one of those apps to locate it. If you still can't find it, you can also tap on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, just hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video window, you need to click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Look for your video and tap on it. If you can't find it here, select Gallery. Look for it here and click on it as well. Then hit Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find it, click on Gallery, select Folders, and look for your video file the same way as an audio one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!